Starting, a stray dog census will be conducted across all 67 wards of Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation, which will continue until the 25th of this month. For the exercise, dedicated teams have been formed for each zone, ward and street. The census will be carried out in 2 phases using scientific methods. The first phase will run from 16th to the 20th. The second phase will run from the 21st to the 24th. The counting will take daily between 5 am and 7 am. The work will be conducted under the supervision of expert veterinarians with active participation from Swachh Sathis, Swachh supervisors and sanitary inspectors. In total, 410 teams have been formed for the operation. Bhubaneswar Mayor Sulochana Das has appealed to the city residents to extend their cooperation and support to the enumerators engaged in this important task.
जहा पूर्वरु निर्धारित होइथिला जे दुईटी टीम हमरो सैनिटेशन रो रहिबे जोथिरे कि हमरो स्वच्छ साथींगटारु आरंभ करी सुपरवाइजर पर्यंत समस्त इन्वॉल्व हेबे दुईटा फेज रे गणति हबो प्रथम फेज रे जे गणति करबो द्वितीय फेज रे सेटा को चेक करा जिवो जे प्रकृत रे सेतिकी नंबर अछंती कि नाही तेनु एटा गोटे आमे भाबुछु सठिक नंबर बुला कुकुर मानकर मिली परिबो।